Hello everyone, I am Rose and welcome to Rouge of Rose and welcome to the 6th video and shade of the 7 Shades of Rainbow series. I cannot even believe it's almost at the end, and if you do not know what I'm talking about, in this series I take each shade of the rainbow and use it as the protagonist of my entire look. I literally do not own anything indigo, either a backdrop or a dress, even though this is indigo or navy blue, whatever you call it, but on the screen it looks black. I don't know what to do. But before you get to the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on to get updated every time I post. We are so close to 100 subscribers. Please help me get to that 100. Now without any further yapping, let's get to the video. Now of course the main color of my entire look is going to be indigo, which is going to be this color right here. But I need a transition shade, for which I'm going to use this blue, which is a little darker than this one right here. So yeah, and I'm going to take this one very high into the crease and just start swooping it out. Next, I'm going to use concealer to carve out the entire lid, but I need a very snatched angle, so I'm going to use scotch tape to guide myself. Take this shade right here called Mocha, and I'm just going to keep this up to my natural crease line and just up to here. Now comes the main ingredient. I'm going to pick this shade up on a smaller brush. Now I'm going to wing this out. Going back in with the nude to make sure the smoke out effect is properly there. I want to make the transition part a little more navy, so I'm going to take this brush and wipe off any of the excess on it. Then with whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to go on the edge of the cut crease. Make sure not to fill in the cut crease, or just don't make the mistake I did and go in with the navy just before you do the cut crease. Now I want another white concealer line right under the indigo wing. So I'm going to go back in with the concealer and just slightly make a straight line right under that. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the same indigo shade. First, smoking out the lash line. But before I take it all the way and connect it to the wing, I am going to take this one out without letting it meet the wing. That wasn't really working for me. I took on a liner brush and now this one out. I'm going to bring this one, I think, right parallel to the wing above. This navy, I'm going to go back in with the shade I used in the crease as the transition shade and just smoke it out while making it a bit lighter. And I'm not going to go all the way up to the wing I made on the lower lash line, just here where I smoked it out. And to really bring together that lower lash line, I'm going to use this sky blue. I'm going to slightly extend that indigo on top of the nude shade, not going on it, just top, like around the crease. Adding some white liner. Cannot forget to highlight. And this is my look all complete. I've never ever actually done anything like this lower lash line before, so I'm really digging this look, and it's very dark and vampy as opposed to what I've been doing for the past few videos, and I really like this. I don't think apart from black smoky eyes I've ever done something so vampy and dark before, and I am really digging this look. If you liked this video, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, you have no idea how much that would mean to me, and comment down below what kind of makeup look you want to see next. I for sure will listen to your suggestions. I post new videos every week, so to stay updated about my next uploads, make sure to follow me on all of my socials. It's all linked down in the description below. And if you end up recreating this look, then make sure to tag me on my Instagram at rouge.op.rose. And to make sure you do not miss out on any of the videos from the 7 Shades of Rainbow series, which is literally just one more video left, it's so crazy to think, make sure to turn the notification bell on. If you stuck around with me from the very beginning of this series, I want to thank you so much. But if you have not watched the previous videos yet, the playlist will be added at the end of this video, so please make sure to check it out. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Always remember to take care of yourself, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!